So after many years of buying tons of Erin Condren stuff, I finally qualified for $100 off, and I used my $100 reward for what's in this box. So we're going to check it out today. And yes, it actually took me years to earn up to get $100 off. And yeah, I had a 30% off sale. So actually, on top of that, this was actually $133, and then with the 30% off, it came I was able to use pretty much all my rewards. So let's check out what's inside. All right, it's been so long, I don't even remember what I ordered from Erin Condren. I think probably with Black Friday and everything else going on, they probably were just behind on shipping. So, here we go. We have, oh yeah, I got a water bottle. So I just think this design is so cute, and I don't really like any of the other designs they've come out with since then. So I'm glad they went back to this classic design. And I am constantly using water bottles for the gym or for just drinking out of here in the apartment. And I will tell you exactly how much this cost. This was $35, which again, if it wasn't 30% off for the Black Friday sale and it wasn't free because I have all my points, I probably would not get this because it's kind of frivolous and silly. And I don't know why this label is not coming off. There we go. So it is the Swell water bottle, which means it is insulated where everything stays hot or cold. I can't imagine putting something hot in here, but I always put something cold in here, which is water for the gym. And it's so pretty, I can't wait to carry it around. All right, so this is one thing. And then I love these little calendars. I think they were well, I'll tell you, they were $6.50 each. So I got 3 packs of these. And these are monthlies, which I think are so useful. And because I have so many blank notebooks, I think these are gonna be really helpful just to pop these in for planning purposes. And then I got a notebook. So I got a monthly notebook, and I had the option to design the cover myself to customize it. And as you know, Card Deck Academy is launching later. I want to say later this year, but pretty much the year's over. So next year. So excited about that. I put this on here. And I also put some of the Card Deck Academy branding, like mood board stuff, on the back as well. So I feel like this will get me really excited. And a monthly planner, as you know, is like my favorite and only type of planner that I really use for paper. So I'm going to plan out next year here on this monthly planner. So very excited about this. So if you haven't seen the monthly planner, it basically has a 2-page spread for the month, followed by a blank page, a little page for, I guess, notes. You can label these however you want, and then a few more blank pages. So I've never really been a fan of this blank page thing, because how are you to decide that I need 1, 2, 3, 4? So I only have 4 2-page spreads for the month, and that's like it. Like, God forbid I have anything else I want to plan for that month. I'd rather just have them stacked one against each other and then have all the blank pages at the end. But clearly they don't care, and I put that request in so many times. But all right, so that is the planner. And then I also got, so in the move, I used to have a just a calendar that had the dates, and I had to change the dates every day, because every day is a new day. And anyways, it got broken in the move. So I ordered this Perpetual Calendar. I just thought this looked really cute. And that way I could keep track of the days of the week. I also still have, I know it's crazy, I like dates and planners, but I have this from Sugar and Paper, and that was quite expensive. That was $40. That wasn't even on sale. And I do have that up at my desk as well. I guess I'm just kind of crazy that I just like planners and calendars just surrounding me everywhere that I am. So I always know what time it is, what day it is. I'm not sure if that's like a mental issue. I've just always been like that. So the Perpetual Calendar works like this, and I'm gonna move this so you can like see it against a background. So the Perpetual Calendar is such that these dates, these months, are empty. And it looks like they're 2-sided to save, be even more efficient. So you have January, you have February, March, April, May, June, and then you flip them over and you have July, August, September, you have October, you have November, and you have December. So the way it works is, so we're in December right now, and Monday, you can see over here, Monday starts on a Thursday. So what we do is there's a little slot here, and you're gonna stick this in here so that Thursday lines up with that first day right there. And so that's a little harder to see maybe because it's green. But when we move into January, which is a darker month, we know that January will start on a Sunday. So we want that Sunday to have the 1 on it. So you'll move it all the way over here to the right. So I guess you just have to make sure that it doesn't get knocked over because then you're just not gonna know what day it is, or a cat doesn't move it, or a stiff wind or something. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out. And it looks like you can put, maybe if you put all the dates in here that way, yeah, then it sticks, it's a little firmer. And then you can see them. I know it's hard to see it here, but I promise, like when they're sitting this way, when there's not a light reflecting against it, you can see the dates. So I'll let you know how that goes and how I feel about that. And this one was $30.50. So I got a Perpetual Calendar. I can stick at my desk. I think I'm just gonna put my cell phone over here. I also have monthlies that I can stick inside my notebooks. And I have my monthly planner, which I'm very excited about. And that is pretty much it. So that's a wrap for everything that I bought. Oh, I almost forgot my beloved pretty water bottle, which I can't wait to use. And you can feel, I know you can't feel it, but the paint is raised on here. So I am worried it's gonna chip away. But hopefully it'll stay. But I will report back and let you know.